Kilalanin ng isang Pinoy music artist who made it big abroad while staying true to his roots. Kaya naman hindi nakapagtataka na maraming gustong sumunod sa mga yapak niya.
The road to success is long and full of detours, and no one knows this better than the Black Eyed Peas member, Apple the App.
You know, I grew up in the province, and then when it was time to go to high school, that's when it was first time for me to take, you know, the jeepney to the city.
He's gone a long way since his humble days. Ngayon, from his birthplace in Angeles City, Pampanga, to Los Angeles City in California, to the whole world, dinig na dinig ang tinig ng master artist na ito. Singing loud and proud about his beloved Pilipinas, there's no doubt that Apple the App or Alan Pineda Lindo in real life loves his roots. At lalo pa niya itong pinatunayang nang itinayo niya ang sariling record label dito sa bansa.
Jeepney Music is my record label. It's a platform for emerging artists. I want to be able to showcase you know, these young talents all over the world. So it's like a vehicle for, you know, upcoming artists. This is the way of me giving back.
Kung akala niyo yung jeepney na to hanggang Quiapo or Maynila lamang, nakakamali kayo because this jeepney is your key to stardom. With a cooperation of MTV Philippines, the Jeepney Music Comes MTV Emerge, a contest for promising musicians. 7 maswerteng mananalo ang magkakaroon ng 1-year recording contract plus a chance to train under Apple the App himself. All roads lead here to the SM Mall of Asia Music Hall. This is the first jeepney stop of the 7 lucky artists on their journey to stardom. Di mapigilan ang pag-arangkada ng mga talented natin musicians, kaya naman hirap din sa desisyon nila ang mga judges.
I mean, the level of quality was there. I mean, this is the Philippines, and the talent that's around here is just amazing. Awesome.
Mahigit 1,000 entries ang natanggap ng MTV, pero sa huli, 7 lang ang itinanghal ng MTV Emerge winners. They are hip-hop groups Mig Nasty of Dumaguete and Urban Nation, alternative rock band TBG, and Fair Catch, new wave group The Pin-Up Girls, and Cebu's rock band Soul Brothers.
And the MTV spotlight goes to Fair Catch. Hi, we are Fair Catch, and we are the MTV Emerge Spotlight winners.
Simple lang din ang kwento ng Fair Catch. Mga nagtatrabahong sina Volt, Johan, Victor, and Adin na mahilig lumikha ng musika.
Sinusulat ko talaga yung everyday life ng mga tao. Future goals in life.
Kaya naman nang nabalitaan nila ang tungkol sa MTV Emerge, agad silang sumali. And the rest, as they say, is music history. Hip-hop and R&B naman ang ibinibidang tunog ng DRP.
What's up, this is Dino.
Ako nga pala si Pino G.
Bigo. And we are DRP.
It means Dirty Room Productions. We were just thinking of a name. First thing came up to mind is Madaming Kwarto. Sobrang gulo ng kwarto, you know, name it Dirty Room Productions.
Gaya ng kanilang future mentor na si Apple the App, nais nilang ipahayag ang Pinoy pride sa kanilang mga kanta.
We want to be remembered as the group that changed the way Filipinos here in the Philippines look at Tagalog hip-hop.
At para kay Dino, nasa dugo niya ang pag-e-entertain. Tatay niya ang isa sa mga komedyanteng humuhubog sa Philippine TV. Walang iba kundi si Richie the Horsey.
Because my dad's a really good writer. You know, he writes for the gag shows before. Kumbaga gusto ko makita na lang niya one day sa TV na parang, ano ko yun ah. Parang, yun mo lang sinabi sa akin.
Hi, we're Urban Nation. Rhythm music.
Unlike DRP and Fair Catch, matagal-tagal na sa eksena ang Urban Nation. At marami na rin sumubok sa kanilang 6 na taong pagsasama.
Dalawa lang kami ni Brian yung nag-stick talaga from the start. Kasi ang daming nangyari. Yung mga original members merong umaalis, bumabiyahe, meron pa ngang namatay.
Imbes na madismaya sa kanilang music career, lalo pang pinagbuti ng Urban Nation ang kanilang musika. Kaya naman nang mabalitaan nila ang MTV Emerge, hindi na nila pinalampas ang pagkakataon.
I saw on my cellphone an international number.
Nagre-ring.
So basically, it's an emergency. So I put the customer on hold. I answered the phone. Sorry. I answered the phone, and then it was MTV.
They say opportunity comes to those who are ready. Patunay ang mga bandang ito sa likas na talento nating mga Pinoy. Nasa pamamagitan ng pagtitiyaga at pananalig, tiyak na maririnig din ang kanilang musika. Ang galing sa sapang bato na ngayon nagpapaindak na sa buong mundo.